Imagine standing on a world where the sky glows red, the air is unbreathable, and every step you take depends on technology. This isn't science fiction. It's Mars. But here's the real question. Could humans ever survive there for real? The answer is far more fascinating and complicated than most people realize. Mars is both inviting and deadly at the same time. It's our closest planetary neighbor, and its landscapes look strangely Earth-like, but behind that beauty lies danger. The atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide, far too thin to breathe. Radiation from the sun bombards the surface every day without the protection of a magnetic field like Earth's, and the temperature, on average, about -60 degrees Celsius with violent dust storms that can swallow the planet for weeks. For humans, this means survival isn't just difficult. It's impossible without advanced technology. Gravity on Mars is only 38% of Earth's, which could weaken bones and muscles over time. Water exists mostly as frozen ice, but it's mixed with toxic chemicals called perchlorates. Even if we brought our own food and oxygen, living permanently on Mars would still require solving problems we've never faced before. Yet, scientists aren't giving up. NASA's Perseverance rover has already tested a device called MOXIE, proving it can turn Martian air into small amounts of oxygen. Engineers are designing 3D-printed habitats built from Martian soil and even transparent ice domes that could shield settlers from deadly radiation. Experiments on Earth, like NASA's year-long Mars simulation, show us what life might be like when resources are limited and communication with Earth is delayed. But even with these breakthroughs, permanent life on Mars is still far away. The health risks, the dangers of radiation, and the unknowns of reproduction in low gravity are challenges we don't yet know how to overcome. Some scientists even talk about terraforming, transforming Mars into a more Earth-like planet. But right now, that's still a dream rather than a plan. So can humans live on Mars? For short missions, yes, technology makes it possible. But for a thriving, permanent colony, the truth is we're not ready. At least not yet. The real story of Mars isn't about whether we can survive there today. It's about how far humanity is willing to push the boundaries of science and imagination to make the impossible possible.